Hey guys, Emulating Retro, and I'm doing a follow-up video because I saw a couple questions on how to get Xbox 360 games on your AYN Thor. So I'm going to do a quick guide video on how to actually get the app on there and how to make it look nice and create a folder and add it to Cocoon. On top of that, I also want to say if your goal is to get a Thor to play Xbox 360 games, don't. The videos you're seeing of people playing Xbox 360 games, they're taking a select few that they know that they can get running at an okay FPS, and then they're just clipping frames that look good for it. Like, I would say 90% of these Xbox 360 games are going to run like garbage on the AYN Thor, not because it's not powerful enough, but because Xbox 360 emulation is still brand new. It's like PS3. There's a handful of games that run okay, but do not get a Thor just to play Xbox 360 games because this is just the experimental beta phase of it. So first thing you're going to do is, if you guys have not set up X360 yet, it's really simple. All you need to do is do a quick Google search. So I'm just going to go onto Chrome on my Thor here. You're going to type in ashnar2602/X360, and then this GitHub page is going to pop up. So after you get to this page, you're going to go down to the quick start guide, and you're just going to hit releases. And then you're going to download the latest release, this public.apk file. You just download that, and then you run it, and then the app will be on your Thor. Now, obviously, I can't tell you guys where to get games, but I can help you set up how to put your games in Cocoon. So as you can see, I have an Xbox 360 controller, and I have Xbox 360 as a logo and the controller as the hero. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to create a folder. So we're just gonna do new folder, and then you're gonna go down here and you're gonna name it Xbox 360. And then once you have that folder created, you're just going to edit the folder, and then you're going to set an icon, full icon, hero, or logo. Now, you would have to normally find these on your own, but if you do join my Discord, I can send over the ones that I use. Just up to you guys. A lot of people would rather choose to make their own, but this is how I set up my folder. And as you can see, if I click on my folder, all of my Xbox 360 games that I have are inside the folder. Now I'm going to show you how to do that next step. So you're just going to go down here, and you are going to launch the X360 mobile app. Now obviously you'll have to set up this app on your own and put the games in the app, which I can't legally show you. So here we go. So here are my games. Now, how do you add a game to your home screen in Cocoon? It's fairly simple. So we're just going to go down here. The top 3 buttons in this top corner for the settings of the game, you're going to click that, and literally right here it says add to home screen. You're just going to hit that. Boom. As you can see, the game is now on my home screen, and all you're going to do is hold that down, drag it, and drop it in your Xbox folder. Now what this does is when you click a game, it will automatically launch that game inside of the X360 app. So here's a test. And there you go. Now the last thing you guys are going to want to do is, it's still experimental, obviously, like I said, but if you want to get things running more correctly, we're going to go in here and I'm going to show you where to put your driver. So you're going to want to download the T28 purple turnip drivers from Mr. Purple on GitHub, and you're just going to go over here to settings, video, then right here, system driver, import from file. You click that, and then it'll allow you to add the Turnip Mr. Purple T28 toasted driver for your GPU, which will allow you to run these games a lot better than just using the default one. If you guys want more updates, news, and help on emulation, you can come to my Discord, or you guys can just follow me and get the scoop on new products whenever they drop. New drivers, news, everything, I'll cover it. Thanks for following.